Good evening, garden family. I just want to give you an update. So I went ahead and harvested onions that I had, and this is what I ended up with. The onions over here, they were in on the other side of the garden, and they were in pretty much kind of hard clay soil, so they didn't bulb that large. Also, they were another variety. I can't remember what variety they were. I planted like 3 of them, but I think the reason why they didn't bulb that big is because of the soil. But they will get used nonetheless. But this is, as you can see, you got different sizes. Yeah, these are gonna do well. This is my first time planting onions as well. Oh, this is a good year. So these are the onions. As you can see, some of my larger bulbs. But again, like I said, I think I planted like 3 varieties. And these were all from seeds. I forgot where I got my seeds from. Maybe Baker Creek. I don't know. I can't remember. But yeah, I am happy and excited. But if you're a gardener, you know this feeling of growing something for the first time and it doing way better than you ever anticipated it doing. And that's how I felt this year. Even though a lot of things that I have grown in the past, like the peppers and the eggplant and things of that nature, none of my seeds came up. Nada, zilch, nothing. But when you do something like my first time planting onions, my first time planting garlic, and I feel like I did a phenomenal job, or they did a phenomenal job growing in the environment that I provided them with. So for all those newbie gardeners, just don't stop believing in yourself. Just keep trying. Look up a lot of stuff. I read a lot of books. I read online. I just continue to learn. And I literally have been gardening for 20, 25, 26 years. And every day when I'm looking up something about gardening, I learn something new. So you will always learn something new. What doesn't work for you, try something else. A variety that doesn't work for you, try a different variety that's more suited to your area. But again, family, this is my onion harvest. I'll let this cure, and I'm so excited. Continue gardening, family.